guests on stage who have taken time out to spend this evening with us. As we have limited time, I shall briefly present some of the activities of Noble Mission which took place last year. The areas of our teachers' training and interactions were Rights of the Persons with Disabilities Bill, which is an amended version of Persons with Disabilities Act 1995, to be enacted in line with United Nations Convention on Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Inclusive education in regular school, inclusive sports, dance therapy, making and marketing of jewelry and beads. Some of the achievements are felicitation of Shatabdi Bhattacharya, our student, for her remarkable improvement over the last few years by Department of Mass Education Extension, Government of West Bengal. On 12th March, International Women's Day was celebrated by Department of Women Development and Social Welfare, Government of West Bengal. Srimati Shoma Chando was felicitated as a role model who has shown courage and conviction in bringing up her daughter against all odds. Shagota and herself are working in a garment production unit for the last few years. A very big round of applause and salute to Mrs. Chando. Mrs. Chando, আপনি নিশ্চয়ই আছেন, আমরা সবাই আপনাকে অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি। We are happy to share that the products made at Chopin, the Vocational Training Center, were sold at Wipro, Milan Mela and Siemens exhibition. It only proves that if these adults are trained and guided, they can also be productive members of society. Our students also participated in sports and cultural competitions organized by Special Olympics, NGOs and clubs. They bagged a number of medals and made us proud. Claps, please. At Smayan, inter-school cultural competition organized by Birla High School, our students received first prize in Rangoli designing and individual talent contest. Noble Mission bagged the second prize for overall performance. Thank you. Here, we are privileged to share that 2 resource persons from Noble Mission were selected by Government of India as head of delegations of the Indian contingent to Special Olympics Summer Ball Games at Athens, Greece. There were 236 athletes with intellectual disabilities from all over India. Not only that, the Ministry of Sports, Government of India, has chosen a senior resource person from Noble Mission on the steering committee for promotion of inclusive sports for the disabled, as well as faculty member at the National University of Sports at Gwalior. The regular activities like celebrating Saraswati Puja, Children's Day, World Disability Day, etc. were organized at center with great enthusiasm. We also organized, ending my report, dear parents, I am happy to inform you that in the coming months, we are going to add some more equipments to enrich our services at early intervention, play and therapy unit. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Enjoy the evening with our lovely children and their wonderful performances. Thank you.
Noble Mission's annual magazine is a mirror of its children. It is by them, of them and for them. Consisting of their drawings, activities and write-ups, this year's magazine is a mouthpiece of our children. We failed to publish our last year's edition because of certain unavoidable circumstances, and we apologize profusely for the same. We hope you will enjoy reading it this year. May I now request Dr. Rajkumari Basu to come up on the stage to unveil the magazine. At Noble Mission, Volunteerism is not a mandate, it is a way of life.